frozen tundra. Great. How'd you do that? Not too many spins in that Walmart parking lot. Changing a tire in Winnipeg in the winter. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. The neighbor's got a nice shovel walk. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Come on down to Winnipeg. Come on down for a visit. Good -42 wind chill. Oh, it's cold. The air hurts coming out. Get over here to help me. Okay, where's this guy? Friggin'. Where's my frick? Get my Speedo on when I'm doing this. Get my Speedo on and get a bit of a tan. Just like that. Piece of cake. Whew. Wow. It really hurts to breathe that air in. A lot of people have heart attacks shoveling the snow. Wouldn't that friggin' suck? Yeah. Shoveling the snow in this frozen tundra, and then you just drop dead. So that's it for this tutorial of changing a tire in Winnipeg in the dead of winter. Of course, step A is, before you take any of these steps, is to go get your head checked as to why you would do it. I just don't feel like taking it in anywhere. It'll only take a minute. What does the sound that plane makes? Even the plane sounds crispy in the winter. Yeah, it just sounds different. Now we're getting somewhere. Did I mention it was a minus 42 wind chill? Oh, my fingers are becoming numb. Woo! That's right. Down in Winnipeg, you go there and change your tires right in the dead of winter. A real man in Winnipeg does. Is it a real man or a real moron? Don't lose that in the snow. Because of the sheer mind-numbing boredom in the dead of winter, I tend to take the corners very sharply, spinning the tires the whole way, and I guess I smacked into a curb. I didn't think it was that hard until I came up the next day and I noticed my tire was flat. I guess it's a little too close to the rim to be, you know what I'm saying? Woo. Get a new rim. Shut, Bubba. Also gotta have your camel pants on so no one can see what an idiot you are. Man, I'm getting cold. Heard a story my dad told me once. Up north, I don't know how much further north you gotta go than this. It was like minus 60 degrees or something. And this guy working out there had to go out and turn this valve, and it was stuck. So he took his mitts or gloves or whatever off. And he, well, this finger is completely frozen. I can't feel it. And which reminds me of that story that the guy took his glove and he, like bare hands, he grabbed the valve and he turned it and then his hand froze. And so he went running back inside and he put his hand on the desk to show his coworkers his purple finger or whatever, and when he hit the desk, his finger fell off. I don't know if that's true or not. It feels like it could be true. Listen to that helicopter. Here it just sounds different, like the air, the way sound moves through the air. Is it the ice crystals, or I'll have to call up the weather network and ask them. Almost fell. But I'm not taking my gloves off yet. This finger is frozen. Okay, I gotta go in. I gotta warm this finger up before it does fall off. Just get her done, eh? Tighten that zipper up. Turn it on with my nose. Well, I think this will work well on YouTube with millions of hours of crap. I'd say its entertainment value is high. Okay. I lied, I am taking my mitts off. It's taking too long. Oh, now that's good. Drag this thing back, like half wit. What you doing, son? Woo. For those of you at home, I don't recommend trying this. Frozen turd, Winnipeg, that's where I live. Frozen turd, Winnipeg. Frozen turd, Winnipeg, that's where I live in frozen turd, and it's frozen up here way up north in the turtley-like place that is frozen.